So if you're looking to make money working online, this is the video that you want to carry on watching. I'm going to show you how you can use AI to your advantage to make money. Sure, you've heard before that the money's in the list. Now that means an email list, or of course it can mean a following. Now what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you using AI how to build up your following. As you can see here on my Twitter account, I've got 1,074 followers. And if you look here on my YouTube channel, you can see I've got just over 12,000 subscribers, people that follow me on YouTube. And if we look inside my autoresponder where I send out emails, I've got 4,864 people on my email list that have given me their emails. So with TikTok, you need to have at least 1,000 followers before you can start to monetize it, selling products on TikTok. Now, you can sell products, but you'd have an external link that takes them to an external website. Now, if you can make a video that you could put on TikTok, you could put that same video on YouTube, you could put that same video on Facebook. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create videos every single day if you want to. So you can put one video up a day to start building your following. Now what you've got to do is carry on watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit on that bell notification if you're watching me on YouTube so that you get all of the content that I put out. And if you're watching it on TikTok, make sure you give me a follow, and also please give me that heart, and let's do this. Let's take you over to my laptop and get you started. Now, I've actually set up a Telegram group, and I'll give you a link for that if you're interested, if you comment for the link. But basically in here, what we're going to be using AI. So you're going to see a link like this for this AI software. So you'll find that below the video or beside the video, depending on what platform you're watching it in. So I'll take that over to my browser and I'll pop that in there, and I'm going to click enter. Don't join this at the moment, because just wait there for a moment, because it's going to show you a pop-up. Now what it does is it gives you this pop-up, and you probably have to wait about 30 to 40 seconds for this pop-up to come on the screen, and it says, look, wait, have you tried it for free? So you're going to be able to set up a free account, and you'll see there it says register now and use the offer, no credit card required. Now you only get this pop-up if you use the link that I've got below the video. If you go there without using the link, you've got to pay for a copy straight away. So you just click on this here, try for free, and then you will go through the sign up process and get signed up. Now this is the software that we're going to be using, and I'll just show you, here's some videos that it's already created for me. So I've created 12 videos on here. Now this is AI generated videos, and I'm going to show you how to make a video using AI. So what we're going to do is go on the left hand side here and click on custom video, and now what we need is some text in here for a video. Now where do you get that text from? Now there's a few ways. You can either write it yourself, write out the script yourself, or you can use Chat GPT. But the easy way to do it is to get a video that's on YouTube and nick the script off of that. So here's my video that you're watching now, and I uploaded one part of it. It's unlisted, but what I'm going to do is get the script, go down below the video, and they might have a big title, a big description, and all that type of stuff. You want to scroll right down to the bottom of all that and click on more. And then what you'll see here, it says show script. And then we come up, here's the script of exactly the words I say in this video. And it's got the times of everything I say in the video. Now we want this, but we don't want the times. So what we do is we click on these lines here, and we just do this toggling timestamp. Take that off. It's got all of the script without the times. So we're going to copy this. Now we can put that straight into the software that we've got, but what I want to do is take this over to AI again, and we're going to take it to Chat GPT, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to write this prompt first. We're going to say write an SEO YouTube video title and description from the following script, and you'll paste in inverted commas the script that you've just got of mine or off of any video on YouTube, and you're going to clish bosh that up there. And we're going to wait for this AI to do its job. And here we go. It's got this coming, so we're going to get the title. We're going to copy that, and we're going to take that over to our video software and put the title in there. We're going to come back to the chat here, and then all we're going to do is we're just going to copy that. It's got a little copy thing at the bottom there. We're going to bring that over to our software, and we're just going to take out some stuff that we don't want. We don't want that stuff there. And we want to make sure that we remove anything like the fingers and things like that. And then these lines, these dashes, move those dashes and move this icon here. We don't need that. And move these dashes, remove these dashes. And then where it's got a plus sign, we're going to do a space and we're going to say plus. And then we're going to remove that thing and we're going to say plus in there. And that's all nice and hunky-dory. And then what we're going to do is we're going to remove the bullet points. So we're just going to get rid of these bullet points, because AI, when it's generating videos, it doesn't want anything to interrupt it, you know, images or anything like that. So we get rid of the images, keep coming up, get rid of these dashes, this $sign here, and then this question mark. We're going to put a space on there, put a space in there, and then we're going to get rid of all this because we don't need that. Just come down a little bit further. Now, what we're going to do is click on next. Now we're going to choose what type of, theme of video do we want. Now you've got like this human type one. You've got this cartoon one. You've got this dragon one. I don't know what they call that one. You've got this one painting. You've got this one, which I quite like. And I quite like this one. And then you've got that Minecraft one. So I'm going to use this one. This software allows you to create, I think, 5 videos a day, which is plenty. You only want one, don't you? So I'm going to use this and I'm going to click next. Now I'm going to choose a voiceover for the video. So I'm going to, let's have a look. I'm going to choose Daniel, but you can choose anyone. You could, click on them to hear the voice first. So I'm going to choose Daniel, choose that radio box, and then just click on this button that says generate. I'm going to pause the video here because this could take about 10 minutes or so for this video to get processed. Right, so it's created my video. It took about 10 minutes, and it's a short video. It's 1 minute and 3 seconds long, and I'll just play a little bit of it.
Want to make money working online in 2025?
Right, so what we're going to do now with this video is we're going to click on download, and it's going to ask you where you put it. I've got a place on my computer called Shorts, and I'm going to place it in there and then click save. Right, so that's now saved to my PC. So what I'm going to do now is upload this first to YouTube. So you should have created yourself a YouTube channel, and you should see in the top right hand corner of YouTube create. So I'm going to click on there and click upload a video, and I'm going to select that video that I just did, open that up. Now YouTube have already detected that it's a short. Now what I need to do is to fill out this information that's on here. Okay, so we're going to use AI again to help us with that. So we've got this already here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the AI to create me some hashtags and some SEO tags. So basically I'm just going to say in my AI, write some SEO tags for this video. Click enter and let the AI do its thing. And then you'll see this copy. So I'll copy that and then I'll bring that over to YouTube. And then what I'm going to do is in the description, just put a bit of stuff like that first. And I'm going to paste them in there. And I'm also going to come down the bottom, click on more. You want to find this box here that's got tags written above it. Paste that into there. Sometimes it gives you too many tags. Look, I've got 8 characters too many. So I'll just remove one of those. Come back up the top. Now we're going to fill out the information on this top part here. So we've already got our description. So we go back to our software. We'll get this text here, this script that we've got. It's always best to put all of the script in your YouTube. It helps with the SEO. So them bits that I just typed in, I'm going to get rid of those and I'm going to paste in the script. Now what I want to do is get some hashtags. So I'm just going to write some hashtags for this video. Again, it's giving me these hashtags. I'm going to copy those, bring them back to here. And first off, I'm going to put them in the description down the bottom here. Enter that, pop the hashtags. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to get these first few here, these first 4, and I'm going to put them in the title as well. Let's see if I've got enough room for the title. I've got too many characters there. It says I've got 119 and I only want 100. So I'm just going to move this one here. Get rid of that. I'll get rid of that. There you go. So now my video is already set. So what I do now is I click next. Now in my case, I've got already the ability to earn money from my videos. So I just agreed to this. You might not have this. You won't get this until you've got at least 1,000 followers. Now, from YouTube itself, I get around £800 per month putting videos on there, just from the videos. That's without the content and links that I might have under the video. But you need to get to 1,000 followers to do that. So then I click next again, and then it says, do you want to add another video? I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click next and then click next again. And then what I'm going to do for now is I'm going to leave this unlisted, and I'll show you why that is in a moment. So I click on save, and then I go to my shorts and I look for my video. There's my video. So I'm going to click on that and view on YouTube. In the side here, I'm going to click on the comments. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my link to the video making software that I want. I paste that into there, and then I comment, give it a thumbs up, give it a heart, and then I come on these 3 lines here and I click on pin. Now, anybody that's watching this won't be clickable on a short video, but it will be clickable if it was a big video. But we're doing short videos to start with. So anybody watching this now and wants that link, they got to highlight that link so that they get the free access to that, so they can make these videos for free. Highlight that, copy it. So you highlight it, right click and copy, and then take that into another browser. You've just made your first video and you've put it on YouTube. Now let's put that same video on TikTok. So I go to my TikTok account, and then on the left here, and it doesn't matter whether if you're doing it on a phone, you'll have a button to say plus. And then I'm just going to select the video, which is this one, open that up, and we're going to do similar sort of process. We're going to go over to the AI here, and we're going to copy that, hashtags, and we're going to pop them in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get that comment that we did over here. So I'm going to copy all of that, bring that back over to TikTok, and we're going to pop that in there. Okay, so anybody watching TikTok will have to copy this because they're not clickable. Now, if you're using TikTok and you've got products, you've got 1,000 followers, you could, add a product. And you see there it says add link. So I'd click on that and it says products, and I click next. I could choose these products, but I'm not going to do that for this video. But I can choose products. I'm going to show you in another video about showcase and things like that. So I'm going to cancel that for now because we're not going to put any products in place. And then you can either schedule it for later or you can post it straight away. Now, I'm not going to post this. I'm just going to save this as a draft because this is that first snippet of video. This is not the full video that I want to put up, the one that you're watching right now. You've got your TikTok video uploaded. You've got your YouTube video uploaded. Now what we could do is we can go over to Facebook and do exactly the same on there. Now on Facebook, you'll be on your home, I guess, your feed. And what you want to do is click on this video icon up here and then click on Reels. Once you get to the Reels, click on Create Reel, and you're going to do the same process. We're going to click on here. We're going to choose the video, go to there.
Make money working.
So what we're going to do is in here, we're going to put the details of that link again. So there, that link there. And I've got from the AI, the chat GPT, I've got the hashtags. And then all I'm going to do is click on publish. So that's it now. I've got my video on Facebook, the same video on TikTok and on my YouTube channel. So that's all you need to do. Maybe you might want to watch this video a couple of times, but that's how you get videos onto your social media. If you can post at least 3-4 videos a week, or even 1 video a day or 2 videos a day, whichever suits you, that's what you want to do. Don't overdo it. This is going to build your social following. And I'm also, in the next video, I'm going to show you, even with no followers, I'm going to show you how to start making money with AI. We've got so much to cover, and I hope you like what you see so far. If you do like it, make sure you subscribe if you're watching me on YouTube. Click that bell notification so that you get notified when I upload another video. If you're watching it on TikTok, make sure that you follow me and give me that thumb, that heart that's there on that side, I think it is, or it might be that side, I don't know. But follow me for more. I'm going to blow your socks off and show you how to make money with AI online. You have a great day. I'll speak to you in another video. Make sure you click the link for that software, you know, where we make the videos, and use my link, please, if you could, and that will give you that free access. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Tutty bye.